Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome. In today's video we will be doing a rubber base manicure, and that's basically just a basic manicure, but I'm using a rubber base and a rubber top coat to give us a little bit more wear time. This client has been out for 6 weeks. It's not recommended, guys, but she was busy and she didn't have any competition coming up, so we stretch our appointment out an extra week. Plus, I was away, so I had to give an extra week as well for me to get her back on schedule. So we went a little bit longer than we usually do. She usually come in every 4 weeks for a manicure as well as a pedicure. I opt to record her nails for YouTube so you guys could see how I do my basic manicures, and the wear time as well. Now, she doesn't like her nails long, so she was ready for me to cut them down. So here I'm just going ahead to use my fine carbide bit to take up the existing design as well as cut her nails down. You could tell she had a little lifting. I don't recommend you guys wearing your nails for this long, but she had to do what she had to do. I was surprised that she didn't pick it off, and I was excited that she didn't pick it off as well. So here I am. You can see the product is just flaking off, and that's because it lifted at the free edge and moisture probably got underneath the product and so on. So I'm just gently removing the product. I did leave a little bit of rubber base on her nail plate. So I will be going in with my 240 grit sanding band to take up the rest of the product, just so we have a clean surface to work with once we get done with prep and so on. So I will be reducing her length, and I'm just making sure I'm holding her finger firmly and making sure that the e-file or the bit is not skipping. We don't want to cut, and we definitely don't want to hit the aponychium underneath the nail plate. So yeah, I will be going in with my 100 180 grit nail file. I'm not sure why I didn't go for my natural nail file. I want to say she was my third client of the day and I had 6 clients, so I was prepping ahead, and I took this file out when I should have took a natural nail file out for her. So I just went ahead and used it. But if you're doing a basic manicure or just doing a little touch up, you could always use your natural nail file. You don't have to use the larger nail files on your clients that is just coming in for a basic service. So yeah, that was my fault and that was me rushing. So yeah, I'm just gently going around making sure her nails is nice and rounded. She likes them to be a little bit rounded. So that's what I was doing. Here I'm just going ahead to push her cuticles back with my cuticle pusher. And I went straight in with my fine barrel bit. I should have used a medium bit on her because her cuticles is a little bit harder than the typical client that has soft cuticles. And you'll see why I said that. It's not really taking up much dead skin off the nail plate. And that's why I went in with the 240 grit sanding band as well. I was supposed to go ahead and take out my diamond sanding bit for her. I did not do that because I did not remember it was just a gel manicure. So if in some of my videos you will see me use my diamond sanding bands or my sanding bits, should say, or sometimes you will see me use my 240 grit sanding band, and I'll use that on the surface of the product after I'm done application. So yeah, here I'm just going in with my cylinder slash round head cuticle bit to exfoliate and push her cuticles back. I don't know what we were talking about, but we were chatting like always. I think she was asking me about my trip, how was the trip, and so on. So I was just chatting. So if you see me take little short breaks, that's what was going on. I was just chatting it up with my clients. So I'll let you guys go ahead and watch this portion, and I'll be back once we get to the prep application and so on. All right, guys, so you've seen me dehydrate our nail using my alcohol slash acetone mix, and then I went in and used my Young Nail Protein Bond, and now I'm going in with my gel bottle rubber base, and I'm basically just rubbing the product inside on her nail plate. And if I touch her skin with any of the product, I go ahead and clean it up right away. I love working with this client. When she first started coming to me, she was referred to me by one of my longtime clients. She's an older lady as well. I love my older clients. They're so wise. Love them dearly. I'm an old soul myself. So, yeah, I love my older clients dearly. I could honestly say whenever they come, whenever I have a week full of my older clients, it brings warmth to my heart. You know, I'm only 35, about to be 36, and I have clients from honest, I don't want to even say they're old, 50 something to 77. So, yeah, so I love working with them. Anyways, I went ahead and cured for 60 seconds, and then I like to just open the cuticles up just a little bit more. So I am gently pushing their cuticles back before going in with my D&D Barbie pink. Now, one of my clients requested this color last month, and I went to the nail supply and I picked it up. She's going on a cruise and she wanted something bright top. I said, you know what? Do you want to try a pink? And I showed it to her and she said, yeah. And she said she wanted a fun nail. So I just went ahead and used my Born Pretty magnet cat eye, and then I did some flower decal on the ring finger. I love how pigmented this polish is. I do have some D&D fall colors in my save on Instagram. I do want to pick those up just to have a little bit more variety for my clients to choose from. When I was editing this video, guys, that little loose nail, or I don't know, nail dust or whatever it was annoying me so bad. I'm like, why did it take you so long to get rid of it? But anyways, I'm ranting now. So here I am just going ahead with my knee that I want to say it was 2467 on our ring finger as a base. Really and truly, I didn't really need a base after applying that magnet cat eye, but I'm glad I did anyways. So here I'm going in with a second coat of the D&D color, just to make sure that color is nice and pigmented and is laying nice and flat and smooth. I don't have no lumps or bumps. I did take off all the product that she had on previously, so we're working with a fresh surface. Typically when she comes in for her redesign, I don't take up all the rubber base. I just make sure it is nice and flat. So when I go in with that second layer of rubber base, I don't have any lump and bumps, and it won't show through her gel manicures. So yeah, I will be going straight in with my Born Pretty. I want to say it was Dusty Rose. At first, I thought it was dried rose, but it's Dusty Rose. And the magnets are amazing in these polishes. I want to say I picked up maybe 15 of them. I did record a video. I just need to edit them. I'm actually still playing catch up from just being away and coming back to work now. This week is my full week of being back to work. I work last Sunday and I don't typically work on Sundays. So it kind of kicked my butt. I felt like I didn't have a day off. So yeah, anyways, I'm ranting again. I actually just miss you guys. I'm gonna get back on schedule, so forgive me if you didn't see a video posted Sunday or on Tuesday. So this coming week, I'm thinking I'm gonna release a video on Sunday and one on Tuesday. So I have a hybrid video that I need to record that would be perfect for Sunday upload, and then I have one more pedicure video coming for Tuesday. So I hope you guys enjoy those and enjoy this one as well. So here I am going in with my rubber base top coat to seal everything up, and I like to flip her hand over just to let the product self level a little bit more and get in there, and there's no lumps, created once the product is being cured in the light. And for this top coat, I like to cure for 90 seconds. I'll have the client tilt their hand to the left or the right with their fingers open up so the sidewalls could be nicely cured. And then I'll cure the thumb separately for 15 to 20 seconds. And then I'll go in and finish file. We'll do the cuticle oil around the cuticles, and then I'll give them some sugar scrub, and they'll exfoliate, and then I'll take my photos for either my thumbnail or my Instagram. If you guys enjoy this video or have watched it this far, please don't forget to like the video. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you would like to see from me in the next upcoming videos, or if you have any questions about the video or the process of the gel manicures that I offer to my clients. And if you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And to my subscribers, thank you so much for being here and joining my community. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.